Are you ready to explore breathtaking Latvia? One of Europe's most budget-friendly gems, where you can enjoy a full day for just $20. Imagine this: hostel dorm beds starting at just $8 per night. Indulge in a variety of delicious street food options starting from just $4. Enjoy traveling around on public transport for the incredibly low price of just $1. Free walking tours and affordable museum entries starting at $2. Sounds perfect, right? Let's dive into the 10 incredible attractions in Latvia. And hang tight, because the attraction at the end is worth the wait. Number 1. Riga Old Town. Step into history as you explore the cobblestone streets of Riga's Old Town. Imagine wandering through medieval buildings with fairy tale spires and charming, narrow alleys that take you back in time. The town square, Ratslākums, is ideal for people watching while enjoying a coffee. Visit the magnificent St. Peter's Church with its soaring steeple and panoramic city views. Don't miss the House of the Blackheads, an architectural marvel with a fascinating history and intricate details. Discover the unique Three Brothers, the oldest complex of dwelling houses in Riga. Wander through the tranquil Basilica Park, offering beautiful vistas and serene spots. Admire the exquisite Art Nouveau architecture on Alberta Street, a visual feast for architecture enthusiasts. Explore the Latvian War Museum for a deep dive into the country's history and resilience. Check out the bustling Riga Central Market, housed in old Zeppelin hangars, for a taste of local life. Marvel at the ornate Riga Cathedral, a blend of Gothic, Baroque, and Romanesque styles. The Freedom Monument, a symbol of Latvia's independence and national pride. Number 2. Gauja National Park. Nature lovers, get ready for a treat. Gauja National Park is a paradise of lush landscapes, scenic trails, and stunning vistas. Imagine hiking through verdant forests, discovering ancient castles, and witnessing wildlife in their natural habitat. Keep an eye out for majestic storks, often seen nesting in the park's picturesque settings, creating a captivating sight for visitors. Explore the charming town of Sigulda within the park for a glimpse of local culture and history. It's the perfect escape for all nature enthusiasts out there. And now let's lighten the mood with a quick laugh. Ready? Why does the husband love visiting Latvia's restaurants so much? Because every time he enjoys watching the skillful waitresses balancing multiple plates. And his wife can't help but say, "Well, balance your eyes back on me, mister." If you enjoyed that joke and are enjoying the video so far, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us keep the fun and travel tips coming. Okay, dear friends, let's continue with our top attractions list. Number 3, Rundāle Palace. Prepare to be amazed by Rundāle Palace, a true architectural masterpiece. The opulent interiors and beautifully manicured gardens will transport you to a world of elegance and grandeur. Explore the stunning halls, each room more magnificent than the last. Stroll through the Baroque garden, a perfect spot for photos and leisurely walks. This Latvian gem is a must-visit for anyone who appreciates art and history. Number 4, Jurmala Beach. Ready for some relaxation? Jurmala Beach is Latvia's premier seaside destination, where the sand is golden and the vibe is laid back. Picture yourself lounging on the sandy shores, pretending you're a celebrity escaping the hustle and bustle. The beach promenade is lively with cafes and shops, perfect for grabbing a bite or finding unique souvenirs. Try your hand at beach volleyball or just unwind with a good book. It's the ultimate spot for some seaside fun and tranquility. Number 5, Turaida Museum Reserve. Get ready to be enchanted by the Turaida Museum Reserve, a historic site with a blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Picture wandering through lush gardens, historic buildings, and the iconic Turaida Castle. Climb the castle tower for panoramic views of the Gauja Valley, a sight that will leave you speechless. The museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Latvia's history, traditions, and legends. Number 6, Kuldīga. Welcome to Kuldīga, a town where time seems to stand still. Explore the charming streets, historic wooden houses, and the widest waterfall in Europe, Venta Rapid. Kuldīga's unique ambience and picturesque setting make it a favorite among visitors. Don't forget to visit the Riezupe Sand Caves, an intriguing network of underground passages. It's a destination that offers both relaxation and adventure. Number 7, Cēsis Medieval Castle. Step back in time at the Cēsis Medieval Castle, a fortress that has stood the test of centuries. Imagine exploring ancient towers, dungeons, and the picturesque castle grounds. Join a guided tour to learn about the castle's history and the legends that surround it. The nearby Cēsis Old Town adds to the charm, with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. It's a place where the past comes alive in the most enchanting way. Number 8, Aglona Basilica. Journey to Aglona Basilica, one of the most important spiritual sites in Latvia. Picture yourself standing in awe of the magnificent Baroque architecture and serene surroundings. The Basilica attracts pilgrims and visitors from all over the world, especially during the Feast of the Assumption. Explore the beautiful interior, adorned with stunning artwork and intricate details. It's a place of peace, reflection, and spiritual beauty. Number 9. Latvian Ethnographic Open Air Museum. Discover the soul of Latvia at the Latvian Ethnographic Open Air Museum in Riga. This expansive museum offers a journey through Latvian rural life, showcasing traditional farmsteads, windmills, and crafts. Explore interactive exhibits that bring history to life, from ancient times to the present day. The museum's setting by the picturesque Jurmala Lake adds to its charm. And now, for the grand finale, let's reveal the surprise attraction. Number 10. Adventure Park Tarzāns. Adventure Park Tarzāns in Sigulda is an adrenaline junkie's dream come true, offering a plethora of thrilling activities. High ropes courses twist and turn through the treetops, challenging even the most daring adventurers with their complex and thrilling obstacles. Meanwhile, zip lines offer an exhilarating ride, letting you soar through the trees like a bird. The giant swing is a heart-pounding experience, guaranteed to get your blood pumping. For those seeking speed and excitement, the tobogganing track is a must-try. This park caters to all ages, offering a wide variety of activities and attractions, making it a perfect family destination. Whether you're a seasoned thrill seeker or just looking for some fun, Adventure Park Tarzāns has something for everyone. And now let's dive into some travel tips. Knowing what Latvians like and don't like can really enhance your interactions and experiences in Latvia. Latvians deeply cherish their traditional sauna culture. It is often considered an integral part of their heritage and a beloved communal activity that brings people together. Latvians have a deep passion for ice hockey, and striking up a conversation about their beloved team, Dinamo Riga, can greatly enhance your acceptance among the locals. Latvians enjoy a good drink, especially their local beers and the traditional balsam, which are beloved staples of their vibrant drinking culture. On the flip side, they typically dislike intrusive behavior. They generally tend to avoid overly crowded and bustling places, preferring more tranquil and serene environments where they can relax and unwind. Excessive small talk isn't particularly preferred by them, as they value meaningful conversations and genuine interactions over superficial chatter. They really don't like being rushed or hurried, preferring to take their time and enjoy a more relaxed and deliberate pace in life. Latvians generally dislike ostentatious displays of wealth and prefer modesty, valuing humility and simplicity in their lifestyle and interactions. Gender equality is important in Latvia, and women are highly respected in both personal and professional settings. Friendships are highly valued, but Latvians prefer having a few close friends over large social circles, cherishing deep and meaningful connections. Understanding these preferences will help you connect better with the locals and make your visit even more enjoyable. And now, for our tasty bonus attraction, let's dive into Latvian cuisine. Picture yourself savoring a hearty bowl of sklandrausis, a traditional rye pastry filled with a sweet potato and carrot mixture. Enjoy a serving of Latvian cold beet soup, known as augsta zupa, a refreshing and flavorful dish made with beets, cucumbers, and kefir. Relish the comforting flavors of spekā pierogi, small bacon and onion pies that are perfect for a savory snack and a beloved part of Latvian cuisine. During the holiday season, especially Christmas, you'll find piparkūkas, spiced gingerbread cookies. It's a must-try for those seeking authentic Latvian flavors. Imagine a cold winter evening with a hearty bowl of gray peas with bacon, a traditional and hearty dish that warms the soul. For a burst of flavor, try razzles, a Latvian potato salad with meat and vegetables, often enjoyed during celebrations. Fancy some marinated herring? Silka kazoka is a layered salad featuring herring, beets, and potatoes, perfect for adventurous eaters looking to try something new. Savor the unique taste of rupčmais, dark rye bread that is a staple on every Latvian table, known for its rich flavor and cultural significance. Comfort food alert. Debesmana is a semolina-based dessert, light and airy, often enjoyed with milk, making it a delightful treat for any occasion. And now let's talk cheese. Latvian cheese, Jāņu siers, is a traditional cheese made for the midsummer celebration, a true taste of Latvian culture. Don't miss out on trying kvass, a traditional fermented beverage made from rye bread, known for its unique flavor and refreshing qualities. For a truly authentic experience, dig into some black pudding, a traditional sausage made with blood and barley. And for dessert, treat yourself to a slice of honey cake, a layered cake with a rich and sweet flavor. Latvian cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and traditions that will leave your taste buds dancing. And there you have it, folks. So pack your bags and start planning your Latvian adventure today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels, dear friends.